two skids. This side's still attached.
There you go, right there. Perfect.
I can spin the car once it's on the deck.
There we go, there we go.
It's on.
Wow.
You need a hook?
No, we're good. You're hooked.
The studs broke straight off.
It's thick, dude. Thick fiberglass.
Well, maybe it doesn't. It's stuck inside that matchbox.
Like push that.
Push that in, that might.
Well, that'll straighten up that. Then I can probably just push this one in over the next. It's that one.
Where'd you guys bump?
Right going into one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so early.
Yep.
You guys are getting aggressive out there today, huh?
That's for sure. Everything looks pretty straight. I don't see anything broke. Nothing looks bent or broke. Does it?
Well, that's that. Let's see.
He says he thinks he's broken axle, but I don't. I don't see anything broke.
Clutched in.
No, hold on. Hold it.
Oh. Clutch in.
I'm clutching.
Okay, make sure, because it's clunking pretty good. So you out of gear, clutched in, all that?
Huh?
Can you take it out of gear?
It won't come out of gear.
At all?
There you go.
There we go.
Now,
Okay, just keep, yeah, just hold the clutch in.
Perfect
Touch the car. It's the back that's the problem.
Not the front?
No, the rear end is yeah. Trying to get to roll.
What'd you hit? No, the rear end's destroyed on that side.
No, but it sounds like the drivetrain is gone.
I don't understand how. It was going perfect. And then I flushed and dumped the clutch again, and it just to the wall.
Nothing to worry about. Nothing to see here. It's fine. It's fine.
Just keep filling her up. You gotta prime the pump.
That whole middle part.
How's the schedule look on Discord?
Oh my god, dude.
We need to get some goldfish for that bag.
Like a 50-50 long run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just try to avoid doing that. Cars normally don't like that.
You will.
That's
you know,
for skateboards.
But in the drivers meeting, they were telling us how, like, you know, the multiplier, like with X Factor and like.
I think you probably got the X Factor portion, but you didn't quite make it through the rest, though.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah.
it was really good up until like that's when my multiplier ended.
And a lot of tricks, I don't think they necessarily throw that into the judging, you know. So
Yeah. I'll
it's the fine balance. Yeah. Kojima, put pants on or get out. I thought maybe it popped out of gear or something. Nope. It just looked like it just.
The first lap, the car shut off. Electronics, everything.
It was pre-bank too, so it wasn't a G-force thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. You could see it coming when you were coming out of fourth. It just shut down before you even hit the bank.
Working on his modeling career right now.
Sorry about that, dude.
I didn't expect the track to be so slick from that drizzle. I went right off, dude.
I was like wondering, because I'm like, I didn't feel like I was hot dogging that hard going in, and then we...
Grab the chain locks and tighten that. Here, right here.
That bolt too. Where the fuck did I just say? 716. I got it, Jack. I got you. Minute 30.
Seconds, you're doing good.
30 seconds! Hold us down! Hands out! Clear! Drop it!
Just tires.
Yep, just looking.
Yeah, I mean, they're rail sliding on that thing, and they're knocking it off. Because you guys went off, or what?
What?
Because you're changing rears because why?
I guess because we went off.
You guys got some tape or something? You want to put the fender together before it blows the whole thing off?
You have to drill some holes.
Or just some gaff tape?
Are there rollover minutes?
Yeah, I'll save these for you. Just remind me I owe you 6:30 next time.
Oh, okay, but you need to stop it though. Okay. Oh, 6:30 next time, as per.
Oh, no! Delete!
Hold on one second. Are you pulled up tight?
Yeah.
Everything looks good.
Look at your tie rods, look at your Heims. Look at the jams.
Hey, Kevin.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
What are you guys getting into?
Oh, just pulling fucking transmission.
Oh,
Does that help?
okay, at least there's only one of those. At least there's only one to pull, right?
Hey. You show this to one of my guys? Yeah.
I believe it chucked the dry sump belt and the dry sump pulley off. So I think the crank pulley's still there, but the belt and the dry sump pulleys came off. I think is what we're gathering.
Wrench on the end of that? Can we get a wrench to put on the end of this wrench for leverage?
Ready?
Yep.
Holy fuck. I'm not gonna be able to get that out. 30 seconds. That's the fucking.
Go that way, and if we pull that way, it'll pull everything away.
Back in the hood though.
side.
Is that all that rope right now? Are they on the cart?
In the cart, there's cutters. What's Chelsea up to? I don't know. Where'd Chelsea go?
Right.
You should be able to just back up now, probably. Once we get the truck out of the way, you'll probably be able to just back up. Okay. The car looks largely just cosmetic. Yeah.
We're at Korner. Just make sure you get this one secure. I don't want anyone complaining about anything.
Okay.
Just, I don't know, through here.
They're changing rears.
They're gonna change rears, which means you guys are gonna change rears. You can change rears? Yeah. But that's it. No touchy else. Will it hit? Will it fall off?
Are we allowed to turn the wheels so we can change tires, right?
Just rears.
Okay.
That's you guys right here. Do you want to fix it or not? Because otherwise you're gonna run it.
Can you do me a favor? Can you shake it?
Last time I touched this car, I got thrown under the bus.
Can you shake it one more time?
Can we shake it? Can I shake it?
Yes,
No.
I did.
No, don't touch it. Can you shake it for me one time?
I just shook it.
I missed it. I'm sorry. It'll ride.
I'm going off mic. Dude, that transition into outer four was almost the most insane thing ever. It was so perfect.
Yeah, well,
that was so sick.
I tried to push and give it 180%.
It was so good.
Like it.
Yeah,
We were screaming. We were like, oh! It was
I
awesome.
appreciate you guys.
Goodbye, St. Louis.